Instead of having all items from the same order crammed into a single row, FlexOrder now allows you to display each product in its own separate row. To get started, go to the plugins section in your WordPress dashboard, click on Add New, and search for FlexOrder. Install and activate the plugin. To access the feature for showing products in separate rows, you'll need to upgrade to the Pro version. Once upgraded, navigate to the FlexOrder settings. There, enable the option labeled Use Separate Rows to show multiple products of an order, and don't forget to save your changes. After that, head over to your connected Google Sheet. You'll see that the previously cluttered data is now cleanly organized, with each product listed clearly in its own row, making it easier to review, analyze, or share your order data. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.